These are perfect. I give a shout out to them.
Thank you.
Thank you. I recommend them all. I definitely recommend them.
I'm telling you right now, Pop on Veneers, the service you get with these guys, the respect you get from these guys. They talk to you like you are one of their best friends, and they want to help you, and they do help you. It's amazing.
Look, no gaps. Customer service was the best.
Excellent price, excellent customer service. Get you a pair. You will not be disappointed.
I love my smile. They are super easy to work with, amazing process, phenomenal customer service if you run into any hiccups.
Great experience, start to finish.
Thank you so much, Pop on Veneers. I love them. I highly recommend them.